Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are safe at your homes. Here also I am very fine, Nana. This is 5th class social. So before entering the lesson, what day is today? Yes, today is Friday and the date is 23rd July 2021. So children, what is the name of our lesson? Yes, second lesson is parallels and meridians. What is the name of our lesson, children? Parallels and meridians. See Nana, turn to our page 16. So up to how are parallels numbered. So up to this paragraph we have completed in our previous video. Today I will tell you about important parallels. So parallels lo important enti unnayo chuddam Nana. See, other than the equator, the north pole and the south pole, there are four other important parallels. Ante equator ante 0 degrees అయినటువంటి equator, north pole 90 degrees north n, next south pole 90 degrees south. ఈ 3 కాకుండా remaining 4 important parallels ఉన్నాయి నాన్న. So these are the Tropic of Cancer, the Tropic of Capricorn, the Arctic Circle, the Antarctic Circle. So these numbering is the Tropic of Cancer, that is lies in the part of north, that is why that number is 23.5 degrees north, which means n. See where it is in this picture. Tropic of Cancer is there na. Tropic of Cancer, this is Tropic of Cancer. In this picture where it is lies nana, it is above the equator, which means above the equator, that is completely in the which hemisphere? Yes, that is in the northern hemisphere. That is what Tropic of Cancer is, in the direction of north. That's what we have to write n. N means that is belonging to north direction. Okay, Tropic of Cancer numbering is 23.5 degrees north. Next, the Tropic of Capricorn, where it is? It lies on the direction of south, which means equator downside, it is bottom side. So that is completely which hemisphere nana? Yes, southern hemisphere. So that is what this is, lies in the direction of south. We should put as yes. Yes means south. So that number is 23.5 degrees south. Next one is Arctic Circle. Where it is Arctic? Arctic Circle means immediately we will get one clue in our mind, that is Arctic Ocean. Where is Arctic Ocean lies? Yes, in the part of north, here Arctic Ocean there. So that is completely Arctic Circle. That number is 66.5 degrees north. Okay children, can you notice this? Yes, this is the Arctic Circle. Next, Antarctic Circle. So this is Antarctic Circle. Antarctic Ocean is there, Antarctic continent is there. So that is why easily we can locate these parallel nana, Arctic Circle as well as Antarctic Circle. So Arctic Circle numbering is 66.5 degrees south. Okay children, so above the equator, that is completely northern hemisphere, and bottom of the equator, that is completely southern hemisphere. So I hope you understood this nana. Next, the Arctic and Antarctic circles are also polar circles. So ఈ వీటన్నిటిని, ఈ ఆర్కిటిక్ సర్కిల్ని అంటార్కిటిక్ సర్కిల్ని ఏమని అంటాం? ఎస్, పోలార్ సర్కిల్స్ అంటాం. ఓకేనా? చెక్ పాయింట్. The east west lines drawn on a globe are called parallels. అంతే కదా నాన్న, ఈస్ట్ నుంచి వెస్ట్ వైపుకు డ్రా చేసినటువంటి ఆ లైన్స్ని ఏమంటాం? ప్యారలల్స్ అంటాం. ట్రూ. ఆల్ ప్యారలల్స్ ఆర్ ఆఫ్ ద సేమ్ లెంత్. సేమ్ లెంత్లో ఉంటాయి నాన్న. ఈక్వేటర్ ఒక్కటే లాంగ్గా ఉంటుంది, రిమైనింగ్ అన్నీ కూడా తగ్గుతూ వస్తాయి. సో దిస్ సెంటెన్స్ ఈజ్ అబ్సల్యూట్లీ ఫాల్స్. ద నార్త్ పోల్ లైస్ ఇన్ ద సదరన్ హెమిస్ఫియర్. ఇక్కడ నేమ్లోనే, సెంటెన్స్లోనే నార్త్ పోల్ అని ఇస్తే మళ్ళీ సదరన్ హెమిస్ఫియర్లో అది ఎలా ఉంటుంది నాన్న? నార్త్ పోల్ ఈజ్ ఇన్ ద నార్థన్ హెమిస్ఫియర్. బట్ ఇన్ దిస్ సెంటెన్స్ వాట్ దే హ్యావ్ గివెన్? North Pole lies in the southern hemisphere. So it is absolutely false. Next, Tropic of Cancer lies in the northern hemisphere. Is it, children? Just now I have told you. So this is Tropic of Cancer, that is lies in the northern hemisphere. So it's absolutely true. Okay children, I hope you understood this topic. I'll come you with another video by tomorrow, Nana. So until then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.